For my spaghetti denture, I wanted it to be related to dentistry, so I chose to do toothpaste, floss, and the denture teeth, plus some additional thread to help reinforce it. So in this picture, you can see that I placed the toothpaste layer down and used the floss to kind of reinforce and be like a rebar mesh layer for the denture. Here you can see me placing in the teeth. This was pretty difficult because at this stage, the toothpaste was pretty wet. So I slowly was able to place all the teeth in the maxillary arch, and this is just a video showing all the teeth placed in articulation with the mandibular jaw. I added some gel toothpaste, a blue gel toothpaste, to kind of help reinforce the denture. The white paste was still pretty liquid at this point, so I was hoping that this blue gel would dry a bit quickly. One difficulty that I did face was that the toothpaste was too tightly adhered and still liquid, so it was hard removing the denture from the maxillary base, and once I did try, it did crumble. So instead, I decided to use flour and red food coloring to kind of make my maxillary base, as you can see in this video. I was able to attach the teeth, and this is how it looked once it was off. And after it dried, I inserted the base into the microwave to help it set a bit better. So at this point, there were a lot of gaps in the denture, so I just used some flour to help fill in the gaps, and then I used a layer of super glue to help reinforce and harden the denture, so it was easier removing it and it would stay in the shape that I had formed it to be.
Tell us what you made of that.
So I made my spaghetti denture actually out of flour, hot glue, water, and just a tube. And so,
and then you colored it with?
And so, also red food coloring. I did have some portions where I didn't use food coloring, but I used the red food coloring to reenact the actual denture.
Very cool.
This is my denture.